Hello everyone. So today we are going to discuss about the operators. In this video we are going to discuss about the operators which are used in the Python. So there are various type of operators such as the name are written here: arithmetic operator, assignment operator, comparison operator, logical operator, identity operators, membership operators, bitwise operators. So these seven type of operators. So before that, what is operator? So operator are used to perform operations. Means some we have millions of time we have used 2 plus 3. So here what plus sign is? Plus sign is basically operator which perform operation between variables. Means 4 and 5 are stored in a variable a and b. Suppose variable a contain 5, b contain 6. Okay, now a plus b means this plus is an operator which are performing some operation between these two variables, means we are adding up. So this is just a normal definition of operator. So today in this video we are going to focus on arithmetic operators. So arithmetic operators are used with the numeric values to perform some mathematical operation. So this is a very important point, that used with numeric value to perform some mathematical operations. So some common are addition, we are already familiar with plus sign, negative sign subtraction, multiplication, division, modulus. So this is might be something new for someone. Modulus is just uh, to calculate the remainder. Means if we divide, in this example, if we divide a divided by b, means what will the remainder? Or it's better to do b divided by a, means 6 divided by 5, means quotient is 1, remainder is 1. So that remainder, that is 1, how we can store or calculate that remainder? Using modulo operator, this operator. Okay, this double star means exponential. Exponential in Python, it is exponential. Means if we want to calculate 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 4 times, so simply we can write 3 power 4. Simply this is represent power, exponential. Okay, and this is double slash means floor division. If we do this, then it will return integer value. Means in this case, if we used double floor division, means 5 divided by 1, means it's return the quotient value. It in general case it will return 1.2. Okay, but if it is only one division symbol, then it will return 1.2. But if we use floor division, then it will be rounded and return integer value which is equal to 1. Okay, so these 5 variables will be very useful while doing coding. Modulo sometime, but this floor division and exponential very much. And about addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, we already familiar with. Okay, so let's see some examples. If we assign a equals to 4, b equals to 7, okay, then simply we are firstly doing addition, a plus b. Okay, just we have learned this, and in another we are printing a plus b, so it is 11. Okay, now print a subtraction b, means 4 minus 7, it will be negative of 3. Yes, correct. Now multiplication, 4 into 7, 28. So this, okay. Now division, normal division, not floor division. So what will it return? 4 divided by 7. So it will return 0.5 something, here 0.571. Now if we want to take the remainder, what is the remainder? Then simply we have to put a modulo sign here. Then 7 modulo 4, so remainder will be 4 because quotient is 0 and remainder will be 4 is returned. Okay, now flow division means with the integer value. Simply these two are going to be used very frequently. So this is 0 simply, and if you going to exponential 4 to the power 7, then simply this. Look, if you want to calculate 4 to the power 7, then this I'm showing you. But it is 4 to the power 7. Yes, 1 into 1, so it's lagging a lot. 4 into 4 into 4 into 4 into 4 to 4 4 times, 5 times, 6th time, and it is 7th time. 16384. 16384. So these are the arithmetic operations. So remember, arithmetic operator means plus, means addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. Modulo, exponential, flow division are you perform only between integer value or numeric value, not integer value, because we can operate in a float as well. Numeric value to do mathematical operations. So these three might be a new thing for somebody. Modulus is just like a remainder. Exponential is making a power. You have to remember that you have to use 2 star, and for the flow division means the quotient value we have, for the integer value we have to use double division. Okay, so that's it for today's video, and in the next video we are going to cover assignment operator. Assignment operators are very easy, not much pretty difficult. These all are not so much difficult, but we will going on. We will try to cover assignment operator and comparison operator in a one lecture if possible. If not, then we will cover only assignment operator. So thank you for watching the video. If you like the video, please like, share and comment on the video. Thank you.